In this lecture, I am going to explain how to install Notepad++ into Kali Linux machine. So this will be needed in the next lecture, and we are going to need a specific notepad that can open a XML file. Now there is a problem with Notepad++ is that it does not accept any open kind of format, but the problem is that it is a Windows only version, but we are using a virtual machine or Kali Linux, so we have to install this Windows program to this Kali Linux machine. So how can I install a Windows program into Kali Linux machine and apply the same concept for most of the Windows application that you need to install into Kali Linux machine? You will find sometime that you need to install a Windows program into a certain operating system or virtual machine like I am using on Kali Linux. So how can we do that? So first we have to go and search on Google and search for Notepad++. Now go to this website as notepad-++.org and go to the download. As you can see, it already showing the download version, and also always install the updated version. So let's go to this. So this is the updated version, and as you can see in this website, as I was saying, it's just a Windows application. As you can see, it's only Windows application. So you can install it regularly on your Windows machine, but as we are going to be install this on our Linux machine, so how should we do that? So first just download this one just by clicking this button, and it will start the downloading. As I have already downloaded, so I don't want to download again. So then just go to the download folder. Okay, home, go to the download, and as you can see, I have already downloaded this twice. So this is our file Notepad++, and copy this file into your root directory. So just copy and then open as root, and save this into this folder, root folder. So I have already paste it in here. So from this location I can just open a terminal and just list all the files that are in here. So what you need to do now is you need to install this exe executable file which is from Windows into your machine, Linux machine. So how can I do that? We can just type a win command, win because win is a command that will send this executable file into a Linux machine installation file. So as I already told, win is a command that will transfer your Windows exe file into a Linux file. So let's just install it. So type wine space and put this file name. So let's just copy this and paste this in here and just press enter. So don't worry, it's not an error, it will take some time to go through the process. So let's just wait and see. So it will install it and it will create a shortcut on your machine. And as I was saying, this is the way that can be used to run any application from your Linux or install any Windows application on your Linux machine. So let's just, as you can see, it's already up and running. So let's just install as we install like on Windows. Very easy and very simple. Auto updater, custom, localization, this Windows again. So click select all of this because it will need create a desktop. Run .NET++. As you can see, it's already installed on this virtual or Kali Linux. And as you can see, I download and install a Windows file and turn it into a Linux file. So that's how we can install a Windows exe file into a Linux file by where it is. The Linux file. So okay, now we are able to install this Notepad++ on Linux machines.